Hello, and today we are going to see what are the formatting options that are available in Excel sheet using the keyboard shortcuts. Usually what we do is, like suppose if we have this data which is a sales data, and here you can see that order date is in a journal data type, the sales are in numbers, quantity are in numbers, discount again are in numbers, and profit is again are in numbers. You can see here the format is a number value. However, while cleaning, data cleaning or data pre-processing, we want to convert your columns into their specific data types. So in that case, what you have to do is either you can use this menu to change the formatting of your columns. That is, if I want to convert this B column, that is order date, into a date type value, I will go into this menu and I will click short date, and it will convert your dates into a date format. However, there is a much simpler way, that is with the help of keyboard shortcuts we can do the same task easily. What you have to do is you have to select the complete column, and I have already told you to select the complete column. You have to press Control space. Once you select this column, the shortcut key that is to used to format as a date value is Control plus Shift plus hash. So you have to write Control Shift and hash, and it will convert your order date column into a date value. Similarly, if you go inside this sales column, which is currently in a number format, if I want to convert this into a currency value, what you have to do again is Control space. It will select your data, and then you have to press Control Shift and dollar sign. So when I press Control Shift and dollar sign, it will give you the default currency that is available in your country. Here my default currency is rupees, so you can see I am getting my sales value in rupees. If you want to convert your quantity into number format, what you have to do, you have to use Control Shift and exclamation sign for the same. That is, I will press first Control space, it will select our data, and I will press Control Shift exclamation sign, and it will convert your column into a number format. Then we have discount. So if you want to convert your discount into percentages value, what you have to do is you have to select Control and space, that is you have to select the complete column, and then you have to press Control Shift and percent sign, that is Control Shift and percent sign, and it will convert your columns into percentages. And similarly, if you want to convert profit column also again into a currency or into a currency format, what you have to do is you have to again press Control space and then just press Control Shift and dollar sign, and you can see that your data inside that column is converted into a currency format with negative values highlighted as red and the positive values are already in default black. Now you can see that in the sales column you have decimal places available. So if you want to increase or decrease the decimal places, you can use that shortcut key, that is Alt H0 or Alt H9, to increase or decrease the decimals available in your data. For example, I select this column, that is sales column, and I press Control H9. So what it will do, it will reduce my decimal places inside the column. I will again press Control H9, and it will again reduce the decimal size. Similarly, if you are in quantity and you want to remove these decimals, you can press Control H9 and it will remove the quantities, and it will remove the decimal from the quantities. Similarly, we can do for profit column also, that is I will press Control space and I will press Control H9, Control H9, and it will remove the decimal places from your profit column. If you want to include the decimal places or add the decimal places, you have to press Control H0 to add one decimal place inside your column. If you press it again, that is Control H0, it will add two decimal places inside your column. So this is how you can do formatting options that are available inside Excel sheet using keyboard shortcuts.